plan for catching up? You're probably like, okay, Brandi, well, what's your plan for catching up? Well, my plan for catching up, what does all this mean, of course? Well, my content, my website, my online courses, my YouTube channel, it's all changing, okay? There's a lot of things that are not behind a paywall anymore that maybe you don't know about, and I've spent a lot of time this year reposting on my blog and my website. My plan for catching up on my content and where things are at in my life and getting things to you. And I even had a phone call in between this, and I had to go pick up the dogs, and the dog had a dental appointment, and there's just so much that I've been trying to get out to you. I'm sorry if everything seems all over the place, but my content, my website, my online courses, my YouTube channel is all changing. There's a lot that was behind a paywall that's not behind a paywall now. And I've spent most of this year on my blog and my website over on RVersity, as well as all my others, trying to update the blog content and the website content before re-releasing it or saying like, hey, go look at it. If you've ever gone and looked at it, then you would know that things are changing, but I haven't made like huge announcements about it yet. I've been working on getting organized, repositioning my brand, my content, everything. And not just now, but I've been kind of doing this throughout the year. And that's why a lot of my YouTube videos have been silenced or not being posted, or I've not published as much, should I say. So I have actually been publishing blog posts, just not YouTube videos, and why I say go to RVersity.com and check out my blog post. But that has also put me in a dilemma because I know that people want to see things like my van tour, and I haven't actually shown that yet, at least on this channel. I talked about that I showed a pre-tour on my Blog and Brandi YouTube channel, and it's been almost 2 years since we picked up the van. I think it's kind of weird to show like the end before we showed the beginning, like the picking up of the van, before we say like, oh, hey guys, here's all decked out now, let me show you everything we did to it. But if you don't think that's weird, then let me know. But my plan was to kind of start releasing that content in the way that it happened. And so some of the videos that I just released kind of happened after the fact or before the other video, if that makes sense. When I was looking at the content, I was editing, I just didn't like it. And I really wanted things to unfold the way that they've happened. But I've also kind of thought about maybe my content being, oh, this is the series 1 and here's series 2. And like, why can't I have that in between on my network or my YouTube channel? So I just really wanted to be real with you in this video. I just feel like there's gaps in between my content, and I really just wanted to fill you in, which is why I wanted to make this video. There's a lot of things that you miss, and I'm trying to figure it all out. I'm trying to figure out how to post everything. My life goes really fast, and things have happened really fast, and some of the things I told you have held me back from posting my content or publishing or even recording or wanting to release things. I wish I could change how things played out, but that's just my story. So that's what's happened. I've let others or situations dictate my YouTube channel, my blog, my website, my social media, things that I just haven't told you. Why I say, you know, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and tap that little bell icon so you're notified every time I publish, but also go check out my blogs and my website, which is RVersity.com, and I'll put that below this video as well. But I'm working on my content little by little and trying to get that out, and in my head, I see where it's going. I can't show that to you yet. Think about if you were posting all the pieces and you've got like all these pieces laid out, but you haven't flipped them over and put all the puzzle together yet. I have a lot of videos recorded. I just haven't posted them yet. There's a certain way that things should play out. And so I'm working on that. Other people might be like, oh, she's all over the place and she doesn't know what she's doing. But in the long run, you're gonna look back and be like, wow, that makes sense now. I get why she did it that way. But I just kind of want to let things unfold the way that I see them and just see what happens, and then I'll just correct course along the way. So I really don't have a definite plan to say like this is step 1, step 2, step 3, even though I do see where things are going in my head and how I want things to be. I'm excited to read your comments. I can't wait for you to go check out some of my other content and check out RVersity.com. Subscribe to my newsletter. All those links are in the description below. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.